Everybody's got to travel. 7/14. Where's the month going? All kinds of interesting stuff today. I have some interesting photos. How they engine swap a cruise ship. Here's the interesting part. They actually have to cut the hole. It's actually already there. They have to weld it closed for waterproofing. Then they slide out the engine in three different parts. The heads come off, the cylinders come next, and the oil pan's next. Wow. It slides back in two parts. The oil pan goes first, and then the whole engine assembly, fully built, slides in. And then they rotate it back into its bay. And then they weld the thing closed and paint it. Wow. Wow, efficiency. That's the bigger engines. Other ones can come out, down the hallway, turn the corner with a power jack and come out outside. Those are generator engines. This is the motor to move the ship engine that's being replaced in those pictures. Here's one. Now, don't get too upset. It's only in one. Royal bans duck hiding and hunting in the Central Park area. They're concerned about the plants. What it is someone will hide one, and the kid will see it from across the way and run across the grass and stomp the plants to get the duck. So they want to stop that. So no more outside in the Central Park. The rest of the ship's fair game. And we're cool with it, Royal says. Just not in Central Park. Okay. Aurora Expedition is offering up to 40% on Antarctica. Wow. That's still too much. So it's, what, 4,000 instead of 8,000? Wow. Now I might almost be able to go. It is a small ship though, but it's much more perks. ZDT, it's an amusement park, will close in August of 2025. It's a retirement closing. The sad part is that he's talking about selling off all the rides and everything. Apparently no one wants to buy it, so it's sad. So he'll sell off the property as well. They said it's been open for 18 years. That's sad that no one can buy and carry on. Here's some interesting. Universal Kids in Fresno, Texas. I have some pictures of their construction and, this is the picture of the hotel. This is the one that the kid said, the painting of that hotel makes it look cheap. It makes it look cheap. I have more pictures of the aerials around it and what looks to be, it'll have an open space where you can line up to rope drop into the park early from staying in that cheap looking hotel. Here's some more many buildings. You're not sure what all the buildings are yet because you don't have any blueprints. And of course, the road in and out of there has looked like it's been laid and the crushed limestone is there. So soon the blacktop, or, well, it's Texas, it might be concrete. The concrete topping might be on it. So, wow. Just remember, Universal Kids in Fresno. As the 10-year-old kid said, that paint job makes it look cheap. Hopefully the tickets are cheap too. Let's see, did I get everything? Engine swap, which is kind of cool. No duck hunting in Central Park, but anywhere else in Royal. Still good with them. And okay with them. Sale for Antarctica, if you can afford it. Park closing after 18 years because no one will buy it. I'm retiring. Really heartbreaking. And the Universal Kids update. So, have a good night.